Good morning, everyone. It's time of the day. It's payday, and it's going to be cash stuffing for the month of May for our paycheck number 2. So for my salary for this payout, yung expected ko lang is 13,000, but I received 15,300. But we're gonna talk more of that. Meron kasing holiday or double pay, which is yung Labor Day ata. At hindi ako nag-take ng holiday off. I grab the chance for the double pay kasi sayang din naman. Kaya mabot ng 15,300 siguro yung sahod ko for this paycheck. Very quick lang yung cash stuffing natin today. At this time, nung nagre-record ako ng cash stuffing, I didn't do a live talk kasi I was really tired at this time. Parang hindi gumagana yung utak ko. And I'm just gonna do a voiceover, guys. Here I am, I'm just counting my money. And by the way, hindi exactly 15,300 yung cash stuff natin kasi ang nangyari, yung 1,400 na supposed to be for the debt ng Sing-Sing, pinay ko na or directly ko na siyang kinuha sa paycheck ko kasi nga BDO credit card yung gamit ko, and then BDO din yung salary ko kung saan pumasok. So instead of keep redoing na magwi-withdraw and then i-deposit na naman, so I just immediately or directly pay it out na. Kayo, how are you doing with your budgeting, guys? I know siya na talagang nagmamahala na lahat, pati yung pamasahe and all, and I hope that everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is keeping on with their budgeting. So I'll start with my debt. So yung debt ko is supposed to be 3K, but this time 1,400 na lang yung ilalagay ko kasi nga nakapag-pay na ako, diba, ng sa Sing-Sing. Plus meron din akong na-swipe last week na backpack. Bumili ako, and to be honest with you, it was all worth the price. It was all worth the money that I be spending for this bag kasi I've been looking talaga na perfect backpack for me, and this is the best one. Yung original price, it's 1,800, but it's on 50% off, so it's 850 na lang. So grab ko na siya, sayang naman, and then siya yung pinaka-fit na hinahanap ko. Sabihin na natin isang buwan na ako naghahanap ng perfect na backpack, kaya hindi ako nang hinayang na bilhin siya. Next, I'll do the grocery, and for our grocery, it's 1,500. Still the same, but I think if I've got a chance, baka kailangan ko siyang i-increase. Now, our next one would be my allowance or personal allowance or food allowance. All in all, that's for 2,000, but I'm thinking na kailangan ko pa din siyang i-increase, but depende if kulang na kulang talaga yung sa food allowance namin na 2K. Direct ko na siyang nilalagay sa wallet ko kasi nga it's for my allowance. Yung susunod naman is public transportation. So it includes our transportation fee, yung angkas budget dito ng anak ko, and then if in case na we need magta-taxi or yung mga lahat ng to, nandito na lahat, guys. So that's 1,000 for the budget, and then utilities will be for the VECO, that's only 1K. Then next one is the vitamins. By the way, I keep saying the vitamins, but I'm intended for a medical funds for this one, and I may be putting some sinking funds on this. Ina-adjust ko lang pala yung view ko dito, and please excuse yung wire na nasa taas kasi hindi ko medyo namalaya na meron palang wire dyan, guys. So yun. By the way, our next video will all about our savings goal. So if you could share to me, guys, what is your emergency funds intended to, because I know most of us has a emergency funds na budget for sure. And I wanted to know para saan ang emergency funds for you. So our next one is our vitamins, and then yung budget ko dito is for 500. Medyo mahal na talaga yung vitamins ng kids ko. So by the way, yung vitamins nila, it's a growy for them to get taller, and then Celine Plus, yung syrup na pinakamalaki, yun yung binibili ko palagi. And if you could also share to me, for a mommy, na meron kayong vitamins for your kids, I would really appreciate kung ano yon, guys. Then we have the next one, Momshi, which is yung mother-in-law ko. We're giving her 2K every month for her medicine. We have the miscellaneous fee for 1,000. So anything that goes to hindi included sa budget, dito ko siya kukunin, guys. So super bilis ko dito, no? Super ang dali-dali kung mag cash stuffing dito. Now the last one would be love funds, which is 1,500. And love funds, it's all about like if ever I need to help someone, or let's say for example pambayad ng tuition ng siblings ko, at least kapag nanghingi sila, I have something in my envelope na I could share, guys. Now yung love funds, aside din dyan, is ito yung para sa holiday namin na Christmas or gifts or anything. That's something that I can share. Kasi to me, guys, nandun din naman talaga ako sa time na talagang walang-wala, and na-appreciate ko yung mga taong tumutulong sa akin. So, in return, kapag meron naman talaga akong extra, kung kaya ko din mag-share, nagbibigay din naman ako. Ano, sa iba, nasasabihin nila nga kailangan mong tulungan mo na yung sarili mo bago ka tumulong sa iba. But to me, hindi naman ako masyadong mayaman, hindi din naman ako masyadong sobra yung pera ko. But as long as meron akong may bibigay, magbibigay talaga ako. Now, there's an extra 300 here. Ilalagay ko na lang siya sa aking allowance or food allowance as an extra, kasi for sure yung 2K, it will not be enough, guys. Now, I still have like 2K as a extra money. So, ilalagay ko na lang siya sa aking savings envelope para ma-segregate ko naman or makapag-share din ako for our next savings. So, our next video, guys, please don't forget to hit the notification bell, kasi I will be uploading our next video, which is about my savings or how I will be segregating the money inside of my savings envelope, guys. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Very quick lang talaga tayo for today. Nagmamadali ako, ewan ko kung bakit, pero antok na ako at wala akong ibang nagawa dyan kundi nagka-cash stuff, kung ano lang yun, and so on. Kumbaga na memorya ko na talaga yung mga dapat gagawin. And I think that's it. I'll see you on our next video, guys. Please don't forget to hit like if nagustuhan nyo to. Share this to your friends na nangangailangan. And then comment down below if you have any questions or if you want to have any next video idea. Thank you, and I'll see you. Bye-bye.